In this video, we'll review how to add images to a Google slide. Go to the slide you want, then move your mouse up to the menu bar at the top and click the button that says Insert. After you click Insert, you can go to where it says Image, and then you can either upload a picture that's already downloaded to the computer, or you can search the web for a new picture. Say, for example, that you'd like to add a picture of pizza to your slide. You would search by pizza, click the image that you like, and then go down to where it says Insert. Whoa, that pizza's way too big. We can move our mouse to the corner of the image and drag it to size it much smaller, and then we can drag the image to where we'd like it to be. You can repeat this process for as many images as you'd like to include.